y'all, welcome back to the channel. Okay, as you can see, we're not wasting any time. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. The wig that I will be using for this video is from Ali Monica Wig Store. She is a 13x4 frontal with 150% density, and she's 26 inches long. Okay, so now I am taking my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm just going to spray this all over the lace to protect it from picking up any color for this next step. Okay guys, so now I am taking some boiling hot water and I'm adding this to my clear bin along with some Shimmer Light shampoo so we can tone the wig. Okay, so once I have finished mixing up that Shimmer Light shampoo real good, I'm going to go ahead and add the wig to that water, dunk it a few times, and then allow it to sit for about 10 to 20 minutes, while also making sure to check on it to make sure it doesn't overtone. Alright, and now that the time is up, it is now time to remove the wig, and as y'all can see, she officially has no yellow tones whatsoever, which is exactly what we're looking for. So let's get her rinsed. Now I'm taking some conditioner and I'm just going to apply that to the wig and work it through with my comb just to make sure that she doesn't have any tangles and to rinse out any lingering shampoo. And one more thing, y'all, I did forget to mention, after working that conditioner through, I did let it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing it out. So allow that conditioner to sit for a little bit before you rinse it out. Okay, and now here is the wig. So now that we are done rinsing it, I'm just placing it on a mannequin head with some T-pins to hold it down so we can begin the dyeing process. Alright y'all, so here now you see me taking my Adore Titanium hair dye, and I'm going to add just a little bit of conditioner to it to lighten it up a bit before we apply it to the wig. Alright y'all, so here you see me getting ready to section off the hair so we can apply the hair dye, and I'm going to be honest with y'all, I don't know what it was that made me do this method instead of the watercolor method, but y'all gonna see what happens later. Alright, so once I'm done applying that color all over the wig, I did let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour before rinsing. Now it's time to rinse the wig, and I'm using cool water. Do not use warm or hot water. That is going to make the wig bleed, and that is not what we want. And here is how it turned out. Okay y'all, so everything looks good until you get to the ends, which are purple, and I was not having that, so we had to do something else to fix it. So here I go again with my clear tub and my boiling water, only this time we will be using the Wella Charms colors in T18 and T14 to basically tone the hair again. Okay y'all, so the way that this works is the ratio for the Wella Charms is 1 bottle of Wella Charms to 2 bottles of developer. So for every bottle that I'm adding of Wella Charms, I'm adding 2 of those bottles of developer to that water. Okay, so once I have mixed everything up real good, I'm just adding the wig to the mixture, and I'm going to let this sit for about 10 to 30 minutes, but remember to check on it so it doesn't overtone. Alright y'all, so time is up, and here it is. Now this is what I was going for. I know y'all see that silver icy tone in that hair. This is what I was looking for. And now I am just rinsing the wig with some cool water and shampoo. Alright y'all, so now I'm going in with the Adore hair colors in Sky Blue, Cotton Candy, Lavender Periwinkle, and Soft Lavender for this look. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, I'm going in and sectioning off the hair, and basically the method that I used for this process was I would section off a piece, apply a color, and then in between two colored pieces I would leave a piece of hair that was not colored. And also the thing is, you don't want to apply the same color on top of each other, if that makes sense. So if I have blue at the lower section, I'm not going to apply at the next section blue where I had it applied in the previous section. Hopefully that makes sense. Alright, so I wanted to come back and explain this. So this is what I was telling y'all about leaving a piece that is uncolored in between two color sections. And then that spray bottle is nothing but water. This is just going to help tame that hair. And here's the wig once all of the color has been applied. Now I'm going to let this sit for a few hours. You can let this sit however long you want, but just be mindful that the longer the better. Okay, y'all, and so now it is the next day, and I'm just rinsing that wig using cool water so the colors don't bleed. So now I'm just giving that wig a final rinse, and here I'm taking some shampoo and my comb to detangle the wig. Once all of the shampoo has been rinsed out, I'm going to work some conditioner through the wig and let that sit for a few minutes before rinsing. And here is the wig once she has been rinsed, y'all. And basically what I'm going to do is just go in and pat her dry, and then I'm going to take my comb and detangle her. And I'm also going to go in with my OGX Argan of Morocco oil too. I'm going with a little bit of that just so that way as the hair dries she doesn't become too hard or brittle. Okay, y'all, I had to come back real quick and give a shout out to AOB Craft. Y'all, please go check her channel out. She is the source of inspiration behind this look. Okay, y'all, and here is the final look. As you can see, I went ahead and straightened the wig off the camera, but she came out so cute. I absolutely love this look. If y'all like this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also, please go follow my Instagram to see how I styled this wig. See y'all.